You want to go to the Stripe settings by clicking on this gear icon. On the settings, scroll down for a bit until you see the product settings section. Then tap on the payments option over here and click on the payment method option, which will take you to this window, and you may scroll down again until you see the iDEAL Wero. Then you want to click on it. After that, tap on the enable button just like here. Then you may adjust if you want to enable or disable one-time payments and also the recurring payments when your customer pay using the iDEAL Wero. For me, I'm gonna turn on these two because my product will be having both of the payment types. After that, you want to click on the enable button again. You are then good to go. iDEAL Wero will now be a part of your payment option. This is one of my payment link, and the iDEAL Wero is right there as the payment method. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.